Good morning to all the students. Today we study about the production flow analysis. The group technology, that is the facility design. The group technology is the approach in which the similar parts are identified and it can be grouped to take the advantages of similarity in design and production. The batch production, it requires a downtime for the changing in the high inventory is carried out. The GT minimize the disadvantages by recognizing although the parts are different, there are group of the parts and the process possesses similarity. So these are the part families. These are the similar in production, similar in geometry. So caution: the two completely identical design part, one made from the plastic and other from the steel. The manufacturing process would be injected molding for the plastic real and turning for the metal real. In these cases, we have a common design family, however, the production process are unrelated. So production flow analysis. It is known as an PFA, a way of identify the part families using information contained on the route sheet of an incident matrix to classify the part. Can be implemented to the discrete industry except the process industry where the procedure or the group is fixed. No volume of production. Sequence is not conveyed. No processing time. Can be implemented with other tools like a JIT, TQM, etc. Production rate will be very drastically during implementation. So problem approach. So in this assembly there is a raw material, that is a problem of manufacturing system, that is a processor Srinivasan in the Department of Management, IIT Madras, NPTEL can be crossed with this process. This is a mismatching of the raw material, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a raw material which can be rearranged with respect to the product flow analysis. The production A product goes to 1, 11, 4, 14, 9, 10 and it goes to the assembly A. Then B goes to the 7, 2, 13, 15 and assembly B. C goes to the B 12, 8, 12, 3, 6, 5 and it goes to the assembly 3. So this is the problem approach. So this is the identification of the material with respect to the analysis. That is the approach is the product can be goes on machine number 8 in 3 times. So that is the matrix. The frequency table, that is a segregate material. That segregate material can be combined with respect to this frequency table. The machine 1, the product 1 is 2 time, machine 2, the product 1 is 8 time, machine 3, the product 1 is 5 time. In this way the matrix is calculated. The machine 1, that is a module 1, that is machine 37 and 42. It has a smaller non-zero frequency. It is called as a nucleus machine. It has a non-zero frequency. That means all the machine can be involved with respect to these operations. These shows that 37 and 42 can be machined using 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 16. These took a little initial module. Using a alternate incidence, the matrix created column 2 by adjusting the frequency. The module 13 has a nucleus. The module 2, that is a machine 24 may not be used for the set of machine 3. So 24 visited extra machine. Using their alter incident matrix created a adjusted frequency. So continue this process till the frequency becomes 0. At interaction, the selected machine 10 we have 7 components but the frequency is 4. So in this way the matrix is calculated. The matrix is calculated in this way also. The above solution should be 16 manufacturing cell, make a 43 parts. Number of the machine needed are large. Why do you need and merge? So merging. The merging of the module and sub modules are the another module. So merging of these modules, that is a module component. Machine 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 can be work on 4, 28, 10, 12, 8, 11, 13, 12 can be work on 11, 22, 3, 24, etc. So 6 cells of the manufacturing, 43 atoms. Check down your module is copy and it can be worked easily. Intersection. This is also a method of an production flow analysis. In this way, the two pools 2, 8, 9, 16, this module can be operated. We have save the machine, remove the component and create the intercell. So this is known as a similarity. The 9 is the thief. These are eliminated by 8, 20, 27 and 30. So this is a model analysis and block diagram. In 6 set, copied needed, 5 model are created, 2 intercell movements are created. So thank you.